Our tech guys' favorite apps of 2023.
Rich DeMuro has that in today's Tech Sort.
I'm always on the lookout for apps that are unique, useful, and fun. Here are some that became my go-tos in 2023. There are so many apps to choose from, but these have earned a prominent place on my phone and in my life. For starters, I try to choose apps that are cross-platform. That means they work on both iOS and Android, but that's not always possible. ChatGPT took the world by storm, myself included. Even without a subscription, you can still access basic functions and now voice chat for free. What are 3 top things to see if I visit Greece?
3 top things to see are the Acropolis in Athens, the stunning Santorini Island, and the ancient city of Delphi.
Omnivore is my place to send articles to read later. It's packed with features like highlights, labels, and it even works with PDFs. Email Me has a yearly fee, but it's well worth the home screen shortcut, which lets me send quick notes, pictures, and links to my inbox to deal with later. Libby is essential for free books and audiobooks, even the latest releases. Pro tip, check the Skip the Line and Available Now filters. You can even send books to your Kindle. Whisper Memos uses AI to transcribe my voice notes. It's incredibly fast and accurate. Sunshine Contacts cleans up your address book by adding details to entries and merging duplicates. It gets its info from your email and other sources. Backdrops is always my favorite for fun new wallpapers, while Splice is my preferred video editing app. Flyfin is excellent if you're a freelancer and you want to keep track of your finances. It uses AI to help you find and understand what's deductible. Upside has proven helpful for cashback on gas and groceries. The trick is to refer your friends and family for bigger bonuses. Real Good helps me track the movies I want to watch and tells me when they're available on my streaming services. Recipe Keeper is amazing at organizing your recipe collection. Just paste in a URL and it will save the important parts like the ingredients and directions. Finally, Flighty is essential for tracking flights. It presents the info you need to know, lets you share tracking with friends and family, and even tallies up fun stats like how many miles you've flown. And it's all super private. Keep in mind, some of these apps offer free trials, others make you pay, but if they do, the cost has proven to be well worth it. I've got links to all of these apps on my website. Just go to richontech.tv. I'm Rich DeMuro, and you are Tech Smart.